हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे टेक महिंद्रा Q2 रिज़ल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं टेक महिंद्रा Q2 रिजल्ट्स। प्रॉफिट फॉल्स 4% year on year. Despite rise in revenue, board approves rupees 18 dividend. Okay, son of size. Tech Mahindra on Thursday reported a 4% year on year fall in consolidated net profit for the quarter ended September 2022 to rupees 1,285 crore. That said, the bottom line was higher than the ET Now poll estimate of rupees 1,210 crore. Revenue for the said quarter increased nearly 21% on year to rupees 13,129 crore. Okay, for the said quarter. Okay, sequentially. Okay. Secondly, the revenue was up 3.3% and profit nearly 14%. In constant currency (CC) terms, the dollar revenue grew by nearly 3% sequentially. Tech Mahindra's operating profit fell 0.6% year on year to rupees 1,984 crore, but rose 5.5%. Sequentially, operating margin was 30 basis points higher at 15.1%. The board has approved rupees 18 per share special dividend. Okay, I repeat, the board has approved rupees 18 per share special dividend. Okay. The company's net new deal wins for the quarter was $716 million, lower than $802 million a quarter ago. The top 5 clients made for 19% of the total revenue in the quarter. Similar to peers, Tech Mahindra saw attrition rate falling in the previous quarter. Okay. The 12-month trailing attrition dropped to 20% from 22% a quarter ago. Tech Mahindra's total headcount as on September 30 stood at 1,63,912. Employee cost increased 27.3% year on year and 5.3% quarter on quarter to rupees 6,895 crore. Okay. While market condition evolve and supply side challenges continue, we will strengthen our differentiated and offering to help customers in their transformation journey through our integrated and new age solutions. CP Gurnani, MD and CEO, was quoted as saying in the release. Okay, so guys, Tech Mahindra Q2 result: profit falls 4% year on year despite the rise in revenue. Board approves rupees 18 per dividend, special dividend rupees 18. ओके, सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।